if you wanted to see where Boston was going to be in a couple weeks, check out where Wall Street was, because they started 3 weeks ahead of time. If you want to see where Baltimore is going to be, in a week, check out Boston.
Thousands of people in different places with the same message, using the same hand signals, really going at the same thing. And that's the way I saw it from the ground. I know from the outside, a lot of people may have not seen that, but on the inside, standing in the middle of 10,000 person marches in Oakland, Seattle, it felt like a revolution.